Guys, here's a little update for today. We are learning to tie. Well, not me, the horse. He's not really sure about this, but we have him tied up, and I like to tie horses as a general rule. Arm's length, right? So the length of the rope from the halter to our anchor point is arm's length, okay? Arm's length, eye height, okay? It's a general rule. There are specifics to that where we might change that based on different things, but I want to keep that rope short enough that he's not likely going to get it over his head should he put his head down. And I want to have it enough distance that he can actually move, because I'm not trying to get him thinking that he's all constricted and can't move either, okay? So he has already been taught to give to pressure, certainly, right? And this is for reference. This is a horse we just brought back from South Dakota, and he's starting to learn lessons. He just came right off the range. This barn that he's standing in right now is the first barn he was in, and he's just figuring out life. So this is how I start to approach this, and I also have this anchored with what I think I guess I call those boat anchors, with 3-inch screws, 4 of them in there, and that will certainly take quite a pull. But we've taught him to give the pressure with the lead rope and things, so that really should not be an issue. But should he pull a little bit, I do want him feeling that tug to that pressure. Also with that, this is why I prefer rope halters and things. I don't like breakaway halters, because that's just planning to fail. Horses start pulling back and breaking things, then you're just teaching them to pull back. Okay, so the first couple times, of course, I'm not going to tie him and leave him there. I'm going to be here. He is on a quick release knot. I also have my knife, but certainly if we needed to, we could cut him loose. But if we do all the prep work, that really shouldn't be an issue, but we're always planning for that. So just thought we'd give you an update. We're learning patience. He is pretty calm here. See that hind leg is cocked up, nice and relaxed. Love it, love it. So just teaching patience. So just wanted to give you an update. Stay tuned for more updates on this guy, and we are about to get a name selected here pretty soon, because just calling him the horse isn't working. So at any rate, we'll see you guys soon.